Today we're going to make some Asian chicken tacos. You're going to start by toasting your taco shells. I put them on a cookie sheet in a 350-degree oven like this. This is leftover teriyaki chicken from the other night. You're going to want to slice up some red onion. I've been letting Asian cucumbers marinate in rice vinegar, red onion, red chili flakes, and a little bit of sugar. This is what the chicken looks like after I microwaved it. I also sliced up some jalapenos and the chicken and some green onion. These are my toasted tortillas. We're going to fill them with leftover teriyaki chicken to begin with. After the chicken, I'm going to top it with some sliced red onion. I'm an onion fan, so lots of onion. And then for some heat, some sliced jalapenos. I can't handle a lot of heat, but my fiance likes it, so this is his plate. All right, next is those Asian marinated cucumbers. These are so good. I feel like they're healthy, but mostly they're tasty and crunchy. Next is green onion. Sprinkle that shit over your tacos like it's kindness. And then I poured the teriyaki juice from the chicken over the tacos. I recommend not doing this if you like crunchy tacos because it definitely made it a little bit soggy, but tasty. So choices were made. Last, I'm going to top these bitches with sriracha mayo. It doesn't come out in a pretty thin line. It's more like a bleh, 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 but you know what? It's the taste that's important. And this is what it looks like when they're done. Please like and follow.